Look at my slime.
We see that. They've been watching Science Max this afternoon.
Yeah, but mine don't stick to the floor.
It doesn't? Are we sure about that?
Yeah, it's hard to get it off.
Yeah. I'm feeling like something went maybe a little bit wrong with yours. Do you think so?
No.
Oh, okay. You think we need to play with this one outside?
No, it ain't messy. Just a little bit. I think I'll wash off all of this once on my hand.
Yeah. Did Jonah and Sissy go outside? Yours is missing. It needs a little extra of something to hold it together better. We'll ask them.
I'll wash off this.
Okay. Who got peanut butter all over the sink? Okay, there you go.
The way I like to do this right here when we're tagging cattle again is I'll cut them out and put the tag in the same hole. And these tags right here help with flies and see right here. That way she don't have to take another hole. I'll just put it right back in her ear like that. She don't even feel it. That's the way I like to do it. About like getting your ears pierced.
They got it fixed.
Yeah,
Now it's not all
sticky.
messy. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, it is time to cook supper. Tonight I'm gonna make these baby back ribs in the Instant Pot. So I have my little rack in there, and we're just gonna season these with, I think we'll go with, we have this Famous Dave's rib rub, but we also have one of our favorites, the Touch of Cherry. Let's see which one I wanna do. I think we'll go with the rib rub this time. We use the Touch of Cherry a lot. We'll go with Famous Dave's. I'm just putting about 1.5 cups of water in the Instant Pot. Just a couple of teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. We'll just put this all over the top, rub it in real good. And they're gonna cook on high pressure for 25 minutes. And then I'm gonna let it do a full slow release of the pressure. Really want a good coating of that seasoning on there. Alright, the ribs have just 2 minutes left on the cook time, so we're going to go ahead and start the creamy corn and peas. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of butter in there. We're going to chop up this onion, and I'll go ahead and let that butter be melting. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 because we're just going to make some garlic bread to go with this. I have some in the freezer. Garlic toast. I think it's Texas toast. We also have leftover pizza from last night. Some of the kids have already informed me that that's what they want, so I'm not going to make a, normally I would use 2 bags of this corn that I'm going to use, but since they're going to be eating pizza, I'm just going to do 1 bag. Put in the onion. We're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. we'll go ahead and get this red bell pepper ready too, because we'll be needing it in a minute. My hands, y'all, have mosquito bites all over them. We were sitting outside, I think it was Friday night, and my hands, they attacked. Because I think I had on a jacket, so they couldn't get to my arms and stuff, but they attacked my hands. We've got those bats flying around out there. The ones that fly around at night, they're not doing their job too good. They need to start eating all those mosquitoes. Do you want to go outside with Daddy?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to add the corn. And I just have this bag of frozen corn. It's a 12-ounce bag. Sorry, that got a little loud there. And we're going to put half of this bag of peas. It's a 16-ounce. We're just going to do half of it. Now the peppers. We need about 3/4 of a cup of cream. Salt and pepper. Do we have any ground thyme? Do you know, Dave? Do we have any ground thyme? Oh yeah, we don't have ground thyme, but we have this kind. We'll just put a little bit of, not the lid, a little bit of that in there. Now we'll just let this simmer until the cream reduces. And I'm gonna put the ribs on a pan because they've been slow releasing now for about 17 minutes. I'm gonna put them on a pan with some barbecue sauce on them, and we'll broil those. And I'm just gonna make this garlic Texas toast real quick.
Alright everybody, I'm here to taste this food for you. It's been a long, hot day, no doubt about that. These things look really tender. Look at that. I mean, you just barely push on that deal right there. Y'all can see it's hot enough.
Yeah. Tender.
That is so tender. What is this deal right here with this?
Creamy corn and peas.
Did you make this up?
No, I found a recipe for it.
Mmm, delicious.
There was a bear. There's a bear over there.
Hunt him up.
Oh, it's a bear.
A big bear.
Goodness.
Come here, Hank. Hank.
Oh my goodness, bear close. Mama, dear.
It's a mama. Yeah, it's a mama.
That's a big bear. Them dogs of mine won't come off until I tell them. They'll gladly keep that bear right there in that tree.
That's the mama.
Come here, Hank.
How many cubs were there, Cece?
3.
That's a big one for our area now. I ain't gonna lie to you. Man, look at that
It's
thing.
going high.
And we're just sitting out here talking, y'all. Hank, come here, Hank.
Look at the cubs.
Hank,
I think there's going high. Yeah, there's.
where's Hank at?
I'm not sure.
He ran over that way, Daddy.
Hank!
It's okay, Mama. We don't want your babies.
Look at that one, Mom. It's
Pretty
going
good size.
Yeah, she's big.
She's a pretty good sized bear.
That one is way up there.
Hank!
How many did you say? 3?
Yeah, 3. I think there might be 4.
They'd gladly go at or something like that. I mean, just excited to do it.
Yeah.
And I'll remind anybody that might want to get out of the car right here without letting us know, Hank would gladly put you up a tree like that.
Yeah.
And Chief, he'll kind of follow his lead, even though that is his son.
Yeah.
You did good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's about the biggest one I've seen around here in a long time.
Yeah, she's
That's
really
a pretty
big.
good sized bear. I may not look like it on camera, but that one there, That's about a 300-pound bear.
Yeah. Yeah, and see, we just come over here and sit back down like nothing. No worries.
I'm not worried about her because them dogs, if she came down, they'll put her right back up that tree if she comes this way. As long as she goes that way, I'm not going to worry about it. But they'll listen to me just like that. They won't do nothing until I say hunt them up. When I say hunt them up, them dogs are going. Chief looks at me. About which way do I go? If I go like this right here, he's going that way.
Yeah.
Happy. It don't matter if it's a 1,800-pound bull. I don't worry about nothing, man nor beast, with these kids out here, as long as them dogs are out here with them. Tyler, that's a pretty good sized bear there, dude. Work. Come here, Chief. Hank, come here, boy. Just to give you a good idea, the reason I know that bear is about 300 pounds. I judge a lot of cattle on weight, but that dog right there is 90, and I can imagine she's at least 3, if not 4 of him. So it's a big bear.
What do you call it? A starlight?
Yeah.
Jonah made this starlight with a mason jar, some foil, and there's a flashlight inside there, and it shines the stars up on the ceiling. The camera's not picking them up too good, just the one big one. That's very good. We're making some vanilla ice creams for tomorrow. We're gonna mix something in with them. We don't know. What'd you say you want to mix in with?
I think strawberry.
Oh yeah, strawberries.